No stove? No problem. Let me show you how to make couscous with a kettle. Set your kettle on with some water to boil. To your bowl, add your couscous. You'll want to weigh out about 60 to 100 grams of dried couscous per person. Add in a knob of butter and a pinch of salt. The butter is optional and you can also use oil. It just helps with the texture and the fluffiness of the couscous. Now measure out the exact same amount of boiling water. Add the boiling water to your bowl. Give it a stir. And then quickly cover it with cling film. Now set that aside for 10 minutes. The cling film on top of the bowl will help to trap in the steam and cook the couscous. After 10 minutes, uncover your couscous and with a fork, give it a fluff. This helps to separate all of the little bits of pasta, making it much easier to stir in any mix-ins and not have clumpy bits in your mouth. And that's done and ready to add in anything you want to serve it with. This couscous is destined for a cooled Greek salad, full of cucumbers and feta cheese, tomatoes and olives, and a really lemony dressing. But couscous is so versatile that you can use it with any variety of flavors. It's beautiful with raisins and lemons and spices alongside a beautiful stew, or it's perfect for a spring salad full of blanched asparagus and peas. And why not add a little mint too? If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button down below and let me know in the comments, how are you going to dress your couscous? Also, YouTube thinks you might love this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.